those new shoes?
These? No. I've had these.
I haven't seen them before.
I don't wear them very much. I don't think they're really me.
What? They're great. They look incredible on you. They're totally you. Love them.
Do you want to try them on? I think they would look amazing on you. Oh, wow. Those look incredible on you.
I like how those look on you. You want to try?
Like permanently?
I'm really glad I got to meet you. You're the kind of friend I'd see for years, not even really talk to, just pick up right where we left off.
I totally agree. It's just easy.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನನಗೆ